Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making a very different guacamole with mint and cucumbers. This guacamole is very refreshing and cooling as well. Let's get to the recipe. For this guacamole, I'm taking 1 avocado which is ripe and ready, and along with this I'm going to use 1 tomato. I'm going to chop this finely. Next is half an onion. Again, I'm going to chop it finely. Next, I'm going to be using 1 chilli. You can either use regular chilli or jalapenos or any chilli of your choice with seed or removed. Next comes the cooler of the dish, that is cucumber, chopped finely again. And next is the refreshing agent, which is mint. I'm using dried mint, 1 tablespoon of it, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Along with this, salt and pepper for taste. To check whether the avocado is ripe or not, remove the stem part, and if you find the avocado inside to be green and fresh, that's when you know the avocado is ripe and ready to be consumed. And see, the avocado is perfectly green and beautiful in color. Remove the pit. I'm going to give slices into the skin itself so that it is easy to scoop for me. If you find it hard and if you find the scooping out and then chopping easier, do it as well. No worries. We just need the pulp to be outside. This way it is less messier and I don't need a chopping board, so that I find this bit easier. Now I'm going to scoop out the avocados into the bowl. After scooping, I'm just going to use a fork to smash the avocado pieces. I like my guac to be chunkier rather than creamy. So next I'm going to add the ingredients, which is onions chopped finely. Next is the chili. I have used it with the seeds. You can remove it if you wish. Next is the tomato. And here comes the hero, the cucumber and the lemon juice. And next is the mint. You can use fresh mint or dried mint as I have done. And I'm going to do few grinds of the pepper, and same with the Himalayan pink salt. You can use regular table salt or Himalayan salt as you wish. Now give it a nice mix, and this combo of vegetables and the creamy avocado and the refreshing mint, yum. It goes so well with the tortilla chips, and don't forget to serve it at your parties. That's it. Your refreshing and cooling guacamole is ready to be served. Enjoy! If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon if you wish to receive further notifications on my future videos.